So we just finished doing a lens change, and as you can tell, there's definitely some dust residue. It's really clean right there, and then right there it's just so dirty, and up top too, from all the dust of doing lots of rusty parts. And so we did a lens change the last time that when we hooked up this Bauer dust collector. And so this is going to be a very interesting look to see how much dust has been collected or where it's collected at, whether it's in this dust separator attachment from Harbor Freight, or where if it's hooked, how much dust has been accumulated in the commercial Sandblasting dust collector. So this is going to be a very interesting look to see where dust is accumulating. So let's go ahead and start at the very end and then work our way forward. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. So you can definitely tell the type of dust that's been collected. And when I'm looking in here for how much usage, there is really no sand being collected in this unit. It's all dust flowing through. So that has quite a few distinct advantages of this. When you look at these filters, they're not being clogged. All the dust is flowing through, and in my eyes, this is functioning, or the prior unit is functioning as expected, and it's not clogging up this separate unit. So let's go ahead and take a look. Yeah, let's look at these filters. There's no dust accumulating through the fins of these filters to the extent that would be accumulated if this Bauer dust collector was not preceding it. So let's go ahead and take a look at this dust collector. We'll pop off these latches and we'll see what happens next. So let's see what's going on here. So there's 3 latches here. Add a little extra light here, see what's going on. Looks like it's distorting it, so I'll go ahead and shut it. Yeah, get a little better visual there. And then we'll just give it a little, let's see, wrap my hands around it. I'm gonna go grab a flashlight that we can shine in there to get a little bit better visual. So now we're back. Seeing some dust there. For the most part, seeing some aluminum oxide, some of it's finer dust in there. Oh yeah, you can definitely see it right here. Let me see if I can zoom in on that. So definitely a lot of the larger particles are being caught in this free dust separator attachment from Bauer Harbor Freight versus clogging up the filters and causing significant amount of rework and blowing out the filters, washing them, cleaning them, all that. So this unit is functioning exactly as advertised. So let me see if I can get some better video in here. So let us know what you think in the comments. Let me see if I can grab a some kind of a stick or something to, maybe not a stick. Let me see, what do I got around here? Because I don't want to poke a hole in there. Let's grab a... So I found a nice smooth razor, or a smooth end on a laser ruler in millimeters. And let's move it around a little bit. A little bit of dust there, but overall, it's great. Let's take a look inside the cabinet, see how much remaining blast media we got in there. Let's see if we can get a good picture of it. I don't think we're gonna be able to see in there that good. I don't think so. Going back to the Sandblasting dust collector, I'm very happy I installed the Cyclone dust separator attachment from Harbor Freight, because cleaning out these filters was so much dust, so much using respirators, creating a very dirty environment. But yeah, you can definitely tell these filters are performing exceptionally well. It's easier on the motor too, because then these filters are not getting clogged. So in my eyes, that's a big win. Big win.